Spanish Empire.
Some of you have made some additional changes after you went ahead and saved it.
Europeans brought us.
What I need for you to do is be sure that anything you want to still be on here gets saved. Because we are at the point where we need to do very quickly is get the computers powered down properly. We need to get them back to the cart, and I think Mrs. Mooney's going to need to be able to get them back out of here. And we need already to get to recess lunch.
Is this a ronde? Okay. Okay. Good job. Now click on your link. Oh well, that's all right. So close on that. Okay. All right, this is Emily's. Okay. Ready? Go. Nice. Very good. Good. Now click on it. Awesome. Let's see if it's going to go to our link. Hopefully. Yes! Slide down. Excellent. Okay. I'll be right there. Now close it out or press back. Yeah. Awesome. Ready. Nice. Good. Good. Now click on the link with your mouse. Take your mouse pointer, go up to those words, click on it, and slide down. Let's see if we see anything about Christopher Columbus on there. Yes! Excellent. Now you can close that, or you can minimize it. Yeah? Why don't you? Yeah. Excellent. Very good. Super duper. Sure. Let's go to, here's Mary's PowerPoint. She worked very hard on it. Okay. She knows how to play it. Nice. Cute. Great. Good. Now will you press that? Go back. Escape back. Yeah. Now with your mouse, click on that link and see if it works. Go here. Here. Now with your mouse, click on those words. Oh, it's not letting us.